Fresh tobacco. Y'all look at everything. Y'all look at everything. Vegetables, vinegar, onions, salt, fish. I'm in my own zone right now, guys, vlogging. Look at that. 200. Yes. What do you think? Expensive? Dice que está caro, so. More fish. Right now. Look at all that fish, guys.
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken is better. Just cook it noodle style, no? Or you want to just fry it? No, just fry it. One right here. But we're gonna get some chicken. Look at all the dry fish. All the dry fish. Look at all the dry fish and stuff. Alright, so we're gonna buy some chicken over here. Just half kilo, no bad. I don't know why my thing is. Oh, this one is okay. Yeah, we just get the rice and just get the no this way. So yeah, over here we got the dry fish. I don't know why my signal's tripping. I'm supposed to have good signal when I'm over here, but yeah. Anyways, this is a market. We're getting a couple things and we're just going home. We ain't doing.
Can I buy this or
Yeah. I thought you said. Okay. Alright, well, she's gonna buy some dried fish, so I guess here we come. I got some chicken right here. Look at the dried fish and stuff. And just whatever. This one's 80 pesos right here.